Okay guys, so this is the house. Excuse the mess. We are expecting our dumpster tomorrow. We have basically gutted out the house. So I do have pictures of before we started, so I'll post some of those. And that way you can kind of see the difference. But we've ripped everything up. We've gutted out the bathrooms, taken up all the floors. Basically, there's nothing but walls in here. Cabinets in the kitchen, that's about it. But this is the front door. We removed a tree that was, see the stump right here? That tree was taken down. It is currently right there. We had the kids move it. They moved it. They did a really good job. And we are going to head inside so I can show you. Half the deck was demolished when the tree came down, and we're going to pull all this up anyway, so it's going to be all new decking, and all this is going to be new. So there's our mountain of garbage, and anyway, so you come in here, you have, that is the broom closet, also has the water heater in it. It's a pretty good sized foyer. I know it doesn't look like it with all the carpet stuff that we pulled up and all the flooring, but we do have a powder room in here. We're gonna go ahead and redo this one too, make it a little bigger, or by taking out this closet. So by taking this closet out, we will extend that one. Now we come over here is another small closet, the linen closet. One here, you come through the bedroom, and there is, or the hallway, there's a bedroom here. So we've taken up all the flooring in here. And it's got a couple of closets, which is weird, but okay. Sure, someone won't mind that too. We are going to paint this one. This one we're thinking could be Layla's room, not sure yet. This was the main bathroom for guests, I guess. We may actually put the guest bathroom, make that the powder room so they don't have to deal with the kids, but this will be the main kids' bathroom. But to rip out the tub, it was leaking so bad it rotted the floor. So Joe pulled that up, the Bendigs pulled this up, and they're pretty awesome. Joe is working to repair some of the flooring. We have the plumber coming tomorrow to take a look to see what we need. Oh, I'm skipping over. Let's see. We'll come over here. This is the living room. I know it's kind of dark. Let's see. Ah, and there was light. So that big gap in the wall is where the fireplace used to be. So that was completely demolished, and we're going to close it up. This room has a couple of ceiling fans, which is kind of weird, but okay. So this leads into the dining room over here. So, and in the dining room, again, another couple of ceiling fans. Let me see if I'm with the light. Here we go. Okay. So, again, everything's ripped up. This is the dining room. So we have a cool little shelving area here. What we're going to do is stick a light in it so that the light will come down because it's got clear shelves in there. And then there's a big closet right there for some reason. The kitchen, we're going to go ahead and we're planning to remove all these cabinets. I'm really not sure yet. It depends on what we find, but we're going to delete this window. We're going to delete this door, and that way we can have more cabinet space. We are going to be moving some stuff around. We're probably going to chop off this top right here so that it's more open. But this does see into the living room as well, which is kind of cool for parties or whatever. And then this leads over here, this door leads to our pantry, which is a pretty good size pantry. Let me see if I can find the light in here. I know there's a light somewhere. Ha, found it. So pretty good size pantry, good enough for 9 people, I think. Lots of shelving, and that's good. So room to hang like pots and pans or whatever you might need. Yep, and then so when you follow this through, there is actually an entryway into my office, and that's through the dining room. So we're gonna come into here. We're still trying to figure out the lighting situation. I'm gonna have the electrician move one of these light switches to the other side. But this is the office here. I don't really know what this room used to be, but there's an ironing board in the wall. That will never get used in this house. That will be burned first. If it doesn't fit in the dryer, we don't use it. So there's a closet in here. Technically, we could make this into a bedroom, but this is going to be my office. I'm going to keep the closet, probably use it for more like storage and stuff. And this door here, which makes no sense, will be deleted. We'll close that in. Trying to talk him into, he's trying to close that entryway you saw where I came in. He's trying to delete that and don't want to. This is the master bedroom with all the windows. This is the part of the house that's protruding when you come up. The house is kind of T-shaped, and the master bedroom's right in the front. So here is our bedroom. Again, 2 more ceiling fans. So weird. I'm not used to being in rooms that are so big that they need 2 ceiling fans. That's the closet there. It's okay. I kind of was hoping for a bigger one, but you know, we'll take it. So our bedroom has its own hallway. So this is our hallway for our master bedroom, which leads into the bathroom that we've ripped up. They actually just did this bathroom, and we are doing it again. Didn't like the setup it had. I didn't like the shower. It made no sense the way they had everything set up. So they had the toilet here, a small vanity here, which made no sense because it had all of this space it could have used to have a double, like a his and hers. And then, so we're actually going to put the toilet here, which will give you a little more privacy, and extend the vanity, which would make way more sense. So, and in doing that's going to make it feel bigger too. So we go through here, and well, when you go through the foyer and into here, there's a bedroom here. There's a bedroom, and it's got 2 closets. Again, another 2 closets. And then we're going to delete this doorway. He's already started to put up a post here so he can close this in, but that's going to be deleted. But this is, I guess it could be a sunroom, but we're making this into a bedroom. It's already got closets. This is a pretty good sized room. We're going to probably put Lily and Sophia in here, and they have a nice sized closet there. And this is going to be their bedroom. I'm doing a video. So this is, no, I'm pre-recording. And then this is, okay, this is the utility room. So for now it's going to be the utility room. We may end up maybe moving this eventually, but there's where the washer and dryer goes, and this leads into the living room and also this storage area and into the back room. There's just so many entrances. There's the doorway that's going to go to the bedroom there. But yes, there's that. So we are heading from here to the storage area. These are all the doors we removed from inside the house, and some of the pieces I guess Joe's keeping. I don't know, he's going to probably reuse them or for something. So one of the mirrors that actually was a good mirror, we're going to keep that and reuse it somewhere. I don't know where the sink came from, but I'm in the process of cleaning these shelves off, and I'm going to start storing stuff here from our old house, so we'll have less to move when it's time to go. Which, this looks like a garage, right? But for some reason, here is the garage, so we have an extra big space. This is the garage. So we've already kind of cluttered it with building materials and tools. So I know it's kind of dark, but when you come through here, this will lead you through, I know it's weird, it has its own entry door plus the garage door. I've never, maybe I have seen it somewhere, I'm not sure. But there is a, I know it's dark, I'm sorry, but there is a staircase here in the garage that leads you to the apartment upstairs. And they started it, but never quite finished it. So they got some big, beautiful windows. I love the windows in here. They're gorgeous. And anyway, they've got it all painted. It's all good to go. Just need some flooring in here, some light fixtures. And it's a living room, kitchen, 2 bathroom, or 2 bedroom, excuse me, and a bathroom. So this is one of the bedrooms. That's the access panel for the air conditioning and water unit, I believe, the water heater. So here's one bedroom, and then we have a second bedroom here. We don't have the electrical turned on in here yet. We're gonna have the electrician come out, but this is the bathroom. I know you can't see in there, but we have the electrician coming out this week to take a look at it and see what we need to do. And then this is set up to be a kitchen. It does have a pantry built in. Now what we've decided to do is we're either gonna leave it as is and put cabinets here, and maybe not a stove, but maybe a microwave and a mini fridge, like a good sized mini fridge. Or we can cap those pipes off, shove them in the wall, put an access door there, and make this into a bedroom, because this doorway here can actually be framed in, and we can make this into a doorway for a bedroom for this area here. And, you know, it'd be a nice little view, but that is an option for us as well, having so many kids. So here's a good little view of the front yard. And we just found out that this place has a pool. It's crazy, right? So there are, it's 1.17 acres, and I just saw one of the neighbors, and I was speaking to him, and he said there's a pool out here somewhere. So I actually found out the land kind of dips down right there, and so I was snooping, and I found it. I believe that's the pool. So this is an okay view of the backyard. I know it looks all overgrown. The kids are actually out there chopping stuff down. That tree you see that was taken down is the second tree that we had to get removed because it was leaning against the house. It's a sycamore. And then we are not sure about the structure. We're probably going to take that and remove that as well. But the property goes back 1.17 acres. The kids were out there. There's a trail they made over here, and they made a trail to just access the backyard. So we're trying to make some room and a trail to go back there. And there's a huge deck in the back. Now they are going to take the deck down, but they're going to rebuild it because the deck has some rotten places, and it's level with the back door, which means it holds water there, and it's gonna rot the door again. So this is what we're looking at here. This is the sycamore tree that we had to take down, and we have a cool little archway over here. The deck is a pretty good size. It's pretty big, but this deck has got to come down because of all the rotten wood, and the kids are back there somewhere playing. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this tour of our house, and you will see updated pictures and videos soon. All right, guys, love you.